YouTube channel. I hope you all must be fine. You all are doing well today. So let's talk about our today's video. Our today's video topic is very interesting. Like we have assistive technologies for students. So before starting my video, I request you to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's start my video. Assistive technologies for students with special needs. What is assistive technology? So first of all, we should see that what assistive technology is actually. Assistive technology, also referred to as adaptive technology, is a term that refers to any device that will help a person with a disability by assisting them, adapting the situation to where they can perform or rehabilitate them back into a normal situation. So this is the definition of assistive technology. And then we have the goal of any assistive technology, like give the person a greater deal of independence in their lives. The first goal is this, and then use a process to find a deal. So in processing, we have that make sure everyone the person interacts with on a weekly basis is involved. Make sure the student is involved. If the student knows they would never use it, then do not waste the money on it. Be prepared to try many options. So these were the steps of process, and then we have one example of a process from LT online. This is example, and then next we shall see one good rule of thumb: keep it as simple as possible during the space race. The US scientists knew that a normal pen would not work because there is no gravity to make the ink work. They spent thousands of dollars developing a pen that will work in space. The Soviets had the same problem. They decided to use a pencil in space. So the one good rule of thumb: keep it as simple as possible. If the student has problems writing with a normal pencil, you could modify it to IEP to their work. But if the student is able to write with a larger pencil. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.